Welcome back, guys. This is Steady Camera. Show you guys what is happening here in Puerto Rico. So, if you guys enjoy whatever lightning I'm about to get, semi-storm going from the southeast. Wind is currently flowing 8 miles per hour. Ooh, that was a good one. Small one. It's currently 12 miles away. If you guys are wondering where I'm at, I'm in my second floor with my steady aim camera Canon DX50. I have currently 10 to 12 minutes of videotaping, so hopefully you guys enjoy 12, 15 minutes maybe of whatever's happening here. I'm gonna start doing things like this because where I live, we usually get this kind of stuff at the start of a year. So hopefully you guys enjoy what's about, to happen on my southeast. That was a nice separation. That was currently 12 miles away from our place. I could feel the heat in my hands right now. As you guys know, EHANS has less capability, therefore it's more vulnerable to heat exhaustion of electricity. Sound wave of 3 miles. That's not bad. If you guys are wondering, my location is Punta Santiago, Puerto Rico, Macau. The beach is on the east of the camera, central point of the camera. On the right, this is south, going to Nahuabo. If you guys are wondering, I'm actually using blue eye blocking glasses because thunder is pretty close here. Looking at it is way brighter than an LED pointing at straight at your eyes, so if someone is looking at lightning, just be careful. The road is currently on the south of central point of the camera. Behind that camera is a road going to the right central point of the camera, which is the road number 3, Central Highway, going from Humacao to Nahuabo. Oh shit, that was 9 miles away. Dude, I can feel the heat. This one might be loud. Might not have touched ground yet. video might be end without any signs because I really don't know how much this camera can record, so I'm just gonna let it record, upload it. So the second episode might be an intro back from the last episode, and maybe I'll do an outro. So let me know in the comments if you guys just want a full video just with a little bit of commentary and just you guys seeing what's happening. That's it. Currently the house in front of us is a neighbor's house. Oof. Couldn't really see that one. That one was 15 miles away. It's not bad. Still, it's pretty stupid. 50 miles away is the south of Nawabo, which, if you guys request, I could move to my other family's house and record way closer to the thunders and lightnings. Of course, really need good equipment because you never know what's about to happen when you're recording really close to millions of, you know, just not volts, but basically there's no measure for a lightning. It's currently currently 7:35 p.m. Military hour, 19 hours and 41 seconds. Today is Tuesday, 28, 2020. First recording on my channel. Electricity status, fine. If you guys, anything disturbs you guys, just let me know in the comments if you guys don't want me to speak. That was currently 10 miles away. That one didn't touch ground. There's the sound. Alright, 10 miles away sound radius, that's pretty good. Alright guys, I'm just gonna tell you guys the hour from here on. You guys relax and see what's happening. If you guys are wondering, you guys are currently looking at a magnifier glass that's on my lens. If you guys see the bottom line, it might look like a window because it is looking from a window. I don't want to risk putting the camera outside because it's raining lightly, and you know, my camera is now waterproof, so it is not disturbing the view whatsoever. I have a windshield. If it doesn't work, a windshield for the microphone. If it doesn't work, you guys can let me know, because I'm not really gonna take my time editing a video like this, because it's better having it on scratch, you know. Right. If you guys enjoy, it's currently 7:03 p.m. Military hour 1903.